Hi, this is Shirkendra. Today I'm sharing my 5-minute meditation routine that creates space to relax and unwind with the help of a chair, props, and your breath. This helps promote deep relaxation, calms the nervous system, and encourages rest. Props you will need is a sturdy chair, preferably one without wheels, a cushion for your hips and your back for support, and a blanket to go under your head and also your mat. I'll give you a moment to gather those. Go ahead and lie down on your cushion and adjust yourself. Legs are up on the chair at about 90 degrees. Adjust to make yourself comfortable. You can either rest your hands on your belly or at your sides. Take a moment to settle in. If this is your first time or if you're returning to my channel, I welcome and invite you to your relaxation practice. This is your time for peace and grounding. As you're settling in, let's go ahead and take a couple deep breaths. Inhale through your nose and let's sigh out through your mouth. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good. For these few minutes, take note of how you're feeling right now. If you're feeling any tension, feel free to let it go. You are safe. You are supported. You are home. Allow your body to sink deep into the floor. Relax your forehead. Unclench your teeth. Release your cheekbones. Continue to breathe in and out through your nose. Imagine your breath being a gentle wave washing over your body. And to wiggle your fingers and your toes, bringing awareness back to your body. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Open your eyes. Bring your knees towards your chest, hug them into you. Gently rock from side to side. And gently come down over to your side. Pause here for a moment. And when you're ready, slowly come up to a seat. Great job so much for joining me and taking time to take care of yourself today. I hope that you feel more grounded and at peace. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more support on your wellness journey. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.